It's fucked up, bro. You don't even want to look at it. But hey, man, say, man, this shit fucked up.
Like, it won't start at all.
Go try.
Damn.
Bro. It's hard, right? You hear it?
Yeah, I see.
It sound good, right?
Hell nah.
That's that trackhawk.
Nah, I think, you know, you put the supercharger on it,
Yeah.
you gotta let it break in tight.
Yeah.
That's what happened.
Try to for a supercharger.
Oh, the supercharger it don't want to start no more. Oh, no, supercharger.
Yeah, that's why I could.
Let push it.
What the fuck? Do it again. That motherfucker tweaking. Alright, don't do that shit again.
Niggas still having fun, his car fucked. That's some real nigga shit. I wouldn't be playing with niggas right now.
Yeah. What?
Say no more game.
What, baby? Alright, baby. So.
Hey man, say man, look, bro. This not the type of shit I want to vlog, bro. But the type of shit that y'all gotta see, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck this car, bro. Real shit, bro. Fuck this car, bro. Bro, I'm on the side of the road, bro. Literally, bro. I'm on the side of the road for the shit I'm doing. My car is not working, bro. My shit is not working, bro. I'm literally on the side of the fucking road. I just made it out the fucking highway. I just made it off the highway, and now my car don't fucking work, bro. Like, this bitch is not starting. Let me try to start it for y'all, bro. It literally stopped by itself. You think I would stop on the side of the road? Come on now. Come on, crazy man. Y'all think I would stop? But this bitch is not working. This bitch is not starting none of that, bro. But I ain't gonna lie. I think I'm gonna have to tow it. I don't even know what I'm telling y'all. Y'all ain't finna do shit for me. But you know what I'm saying? Y'all pray for me. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck it. I'm going demon, bro. I'm finna go to demon, bro. Fuck this shit, bro. Just do it, but you only live once, bro. Fuck it. I'm finna go get a demon, bro. Bro, my... Let me... Y'all hear that shit, bro? What the fuck is that? You hear that? Hell nah, bro. Let's turn this bitch off, bro. Y'all hear that shit, bro? Nah, bro, I'm really stranded on the side of the road. Hey, I'm finna make a few phone calls, bro. Y'all boys pray for me, man. Hey, man, y'all boys see 12 just passed me, bro. They ain't say shit. They don't want to help. They don't give a fuck, bro. But they just arrested my cousin just for trying to come help me. Like, this type of shit y'all boys don't see. They just arrested my cousin. Like, I don't even know if y'all boys can see me right now. Y'all boys see the start of this shit hard. I can't keep y'all hear this car, bro? This bitch is tweaking, bro. Damn, this shit's so damn bad, bro. Damn, my car is not working at all, bro. I can't turn shit, nothing, bro. I can't do nothing, bro. I can't do shit. My car, like, literally everything, throttle control. What the fuck? I can't do nothing right now, yo. My car is literally broke. Like, literally, it's broken. This type of shit y'all don't see, bro. This type of shit y'all don't see, bro. Try to start this bitch again. It don't even want to start at all, nothing. Yeah, this shit tweaking, bro. Leave that shit off, bro. Hey, man, say, man, look. Some of shit y'all always don't see, bro. That shit, my car don't work. Nothing is fucking working, bro. Yeah, I'm most definitely gonna need a tow truck or some shit. I ain't gonna lie, I need to hit the crib, park this bitch up. You hear me? Cause niggas like, what the fuck is going on right now? Niggas just stop on the side of the road. The type of shit that come with this shit, man. Hold on, let me try to start this bitch again. Yeah, that shit not working too, man. So I just stopped, divide to me. But hey, man, say I'm picking up the camera. What the fuck, bro? Y'all boys just see it, man. Hey, man, say, man, look, it's a little update, bro. I'm still stuck on the side of the road, bro. Y'all really see it, bro. Oh, shit, that boy got the stars and shit like that. Damn, bro, I just got put up by 12, too, bro. I still ain't make it home, bro. I call my partner to find some push-up and shit like that. Bro, this Jeep just full of bullshit, bro. Why can't it just be like the wide body, man? This just like come with this lifestyle, bro. What happened to him?
I put clean this area, bro.
Hey man, same man. Y'all boys see 12 behind me, bro. He ain't on some bullshit. He just staying behind me, make sure nobody just hit my ass. But yeah, I called a tow truck. The tow truck's still not even coming, bro.
Yeah, I told the tow truck hurry if I slap his ass. On loan.
Type shit.
On the tow truck.
Type shit. But I ain't gonna say, man. It's that bullshit I be talking about. Let me clear that camera. Once we get shit situated, you be not. Look, I'm gonna try to start that bitch again for y'all.
Over from Kamar.
Damn, that shit fucked up, bro. That shit so bad, bro. I heard some shits on this car that I never heard before, bro.
Was it like Sule's hit? You remember Sule?
Shit is worse than Sule, bro. Sule had it easy, bro.
So I'm gonna call you back.
But hey, man. Everybody see it, bro. Can't pick up the camera. It's some bullshit, bro. I don't even know what to say, bro. I'm lost of words, bro. I don't even know what phone to keep vlogging, bro. I'm just trying to push it through because I said I would be consistent. I'll do this vlog and shit. So I said, fuck it, let me do it. But yeah, I'm picking up the camera. Once I get sisters on the tow truck coming, my partner's gonna hear me. I don't think my partner's pull up. Let's see. How you going, son? How you going?
I'm straight.
I ain't gonna, we gonna have to push it.
Huh? Push it?
We're gonna have to push it a bit.
How far your house? It's out of down there?
Not in my house, like to a parking lot. What are you parking lot?
Right left.
We can probably push it to this parking lot right here or something.
That one? Now that one got a hill. We can probably push it in that one.
This right here?
Yeah, this one easiest. So that one's flat. We gonna block this off. We gotta push y'all down here so one of these parking lots, right?
Yeah, right here. We can probably park in this KFC right here.
Alright, ready?
No way for Booba.
That blue on the phone?
Yeah. Where you at, son?
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
He had to come back around.
Son, this shit's so damn crazy, bro.
So I was gonna park over there too. That's crazy.
Where?
Right there. But like, let me just go park over there.
I'm gonna see it, though.
So what it say?
It's fucked up, bro. You don't even want to look at it. But hey, man, say, man, this shit fucked up.
Like, it won't start at all.
Go try. Nah, I was bullshit. I was doing anything. I was so bored, bro. It's hard, right? You hear it?
Yeah,
It sound good, right?
hell nah.
That's that trackhawk.
Nah, I think, you know, you put the supercharger on it.
Yeah.
You gotta let it break in tight.
Yeah.
That's what happened.
Try to for a supercharger.
Oh, the supercharger it don't want to start no more. Oh, no,
Yeah, that's why I could.
Let's push it because they already right there. That shit.
Oh, yeah. How we gonna push it? You gotta put it in neutral.
Let's put that shit.
How I put it in neutral? Nigga, I'm telling you, like, it's not even gonna go to neutral.
That boy starting that hook. That's out. That's real.
Man, they feel
Stop foot. We'll not do this.
Last time we was in this predicament. Get on the ground.
Stop foot gonna be like, how the fuck you let this shit happen in your car?
They gonna laugh.
They gonna laugh, bro. They're like, oh, how you try to get an SRT where your shit can't get off the street?
No. Nah, that's funny, bro. That's crazy, bro. Y'all boys see it though.
That real
shit, bro.
If you had a neutral shot, we would've been pulled that shit.
Yes, bro. I be seeing him all the time, bro.
Yo.
It's a white nigga. You was at a car meet?
Ugly.
Take that little shit.
Take on the inside.
On the bottom of this?
Yeah.
I just like the VIN number.
Get inside. Get inside. Huh?
And you're going to basically put
They gotta stop.
in this area here. This is here.
Alright, we got it.
Still some other shit.
You said put us where?
SRT,
You said what?
we're written now.
He said he just got him an SRT, man.
Hey, let's to the side.
Somebody got to record. Somebody got to record this shit. Huh?
Put your foot on the brake, son.
What happened?
I don't, cause the neutral lock like is like I can't. If I put it back down, I gotta put the key back in.
Okay, cool.
But now I got that shit on.
It's all like the turning shit gotta be so hard. How do I turn?
Nigga, you better stop. Get your hand off that phone. You ready?
Okay, cool. Let's do it. Ah, fuck.
Keep turning. Pull up.
Hey man, say man, my car is neutral right now, bro. Y'all boys see it, man. They are taking my car, bro. Them niggas are taking my car, bro. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, we can take this bitch all the way to the crib, bro.
I ain't gonna cap, we really could.
Them niggas, hey, record it, son, record it, son, record. Record it, son. That nigga pushing my car, pushing my car.
Bruh, hell no. He not pushing it no more. Oh shit. Come on, turn that bit, turn that bit, turn that bit. Fuck.
You need the house one.
Oh shit. Damn.
Where we going?
Oh shit.
Dude, come on. If anything recorded, it's on.
God damn. You pushing it. It's your turn. Your turn. Push, nigga. Right here.
Hell no, nigga, you delusional. Sorry. If it was a hell, then I.
Nah, on the road we could've. Put in brake, nigga. Fuck.
You think niggas not tired?
Nigga, you didn't do shit.
Yes, I did, nigga.
I did the most work.
They have a whole car pushing it, nigga. So they be gone. They be
Say no more. I ain't gonna cap.
I ain't gonna lie,
I can't do this shit legally.
Look at one nigga.
I can't do this shit legally, nigga.
Oh shit, damn. We on camera.
They finna steal cars. That's straight up.
You said what?
Finna steal now, nigga. I know how to pull this shit out. Now you fucked up. You got an SRT. I'm checking your shit. You better have a kill switch, nigga.
Hey, you know it's easier for the charger, right?
I'm gonna snap your kill
You
switch
know,
off too.
you know it's easier for the charger.
I
Right?
know it's the little shit.
Hey, fuck your, what's it called? Fuck your kill switch. Nigga, we go. You know I got a kill switch, right? It's not on. It's not on there. Yeah. But I don't even know. It's still a strap. You can still.
I don't know this way.
It don't matter.
Oh, no, it worked. It worked. Even with the kill switch.
Oh God.
Yeah, cause skits stop engine. We can
Yeah.
get you neutral.
Oh
You
God.
gotta
done.
get that cover plate.
Yeah,
I know.
cut. Have an SRT if you want to. Me and Zook gonna come out that cut.
You see this bullshit, bro?
Hey, if you got
Come
a
on,
wild body
get your
scat,
shit. Come on,
cat, I'm getting that shit. I'm on your way.
Hey, how we
I'm
gonna
gonna
park
push
this
that
bitch?
bitch. You gonna pull the strap.
I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, to man.
But hey, man, say man, they really just stole my shit.
You gonna push that bitch.
All right, come on, let's do it.
Dumbass, go to your
I'm finna help you. I'm finna help.
Let this shit roll back.
Hey, come on,
Okay.
Tighten up. Hey, yo, what's that out? We ain't the most realest niggas on earth. Hell yeah!
Get me by the SRT.
Nigga, the car.
Hey, dumbass.
Oh shit! Fuck, I'm tweaking. Hey, alright, I'm finna come back and help y'all.
Leave your shit, bro.
I'm finna help y'all push it forward.
Pull that shit all the way from this side.
Who you know doing this?
Let me know when y'all ready to push it.
You know you ready to push it.
It's gonna roll back.
Get it, let me sit down, nigga.
No, I'm gonna come back.
It's my turn.
I'm gonna come back.
Get the fuck out, nigga.
Once you start going forward, I'm gonna come.
1, 2, 3, come on.
That's what I'm saying. I gotta come push.
Come on. Start moving feet faster. Start moving feet faster. Build that momentum. Build that momentum. Come on. Come on.
Hey, slow down.
No, you gotta part that shit.
I'm finna turn all the way to the right.
You fucked it up, nigga.
Huh?
You don't need to put it break.
Now I'm finna back in like this. Somebody record this shit. Somebody record this shit. Everyone record this shit.
Nigga still having fun. His car fucked. That's some real nigga shit. I wouldn't even be playing with niggas right now.
What the fuck I'm gonna do? Yeah?
Hey, Dad, come on, he would've shot everybody. Come on, ain't that right? Come on with a shot. Come on with a shot, police. Just for talking to him wrong. You said what about SRT Jeep?
Huh? When you ready, you gotta knock.
Man, this the fucking lifestyle. Fuck. One of these bitch ass nigga. Fuck it up.
What the fuck is that? That was
If we ain't the realest, if we ain't the realest nigga, you know, then who is?
now you gotta come help me steal the car.
Oh, now we're gonna go steal a car, man. Fuck it,
You gonna keep recording now?
Huh?
You gonna keep recording?
bro. Oh, man. Fuck that. What the fuck? Do it again? That motherfucker tweaking. Alright, don't do that shit again. Here, I got it.
Close the door.
This shit hard.
Yeah, you have to do. Yeah, you have to turn it. Roll it. Yeah, roll it. Again. Yeah. Okay, now release the brake. Hold it in this situation. So let it go. Okay, don't leave the brake, let it just go. Return it and let it go straight. Return. It's okay. No, don't stop. Don't just do it. Okay. Step out. Don't leave it in the brake. Press the brake. Come, you just come out. You're gonna roll. Yeah, don't worry. Sure. I said don't worry. Don't worry.
Hey man, son, I'm hungry as fuck. I'm tired as fuck. This is some bullshit, bro.
So, who is doing this there?
You.
Okay. The number to sell is on the door. What?
It's 248.
Well, they've been shipping this shit. And we.
The hood open. Y'all found the hood or something?
Yeah, I did.
Wait 1 second. Okay. Yo, these people, they take what's it called? They're taking Zelle, so I'm just gonna give you a Zelle receipt. I don't like you don't have a receipt, it just shows you like payment.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm calling it. I have a question. I need a receipt.
Let's go ahead and receipt to that.
Tighten up.
That's a shit. Little bitch.
Say bye-bye. We're in vlogmas. Say bye-bye, SRT Jeep. Say bye-bye, SRT Jeep.
Hi, SRTG.
Bye-bye.
Hi, SRTG.
Yeah, I'm gonna need an electronic receipt. Like, send it out and then I'm gonna send it.
Send it first before I give you. You have to pay before receipt. I said you have to send the payment first. Okay. Okay. Just make sure you write for towing services. Write the purpose when you want to send the money for towing services. I have it clearly. What you guys say right there? What you gonna do?
Huh?
You gonna be mad?
Slap his ass.
What?
Take his truck and go.
Yeah, real.
What break?
Like park. What you gotta say, man? I see the peach fuzz coming in, so yeah.
Tight.
Look at him, he's like, Gucci, good. That real.
You got shit. You a bitch. What? Look, what? That nigga dead.
He's not even the one that died.
Huh?
His partner died.
He died too.
He's still like the last one living.
Nigga, he dead.
On my soul, yeah.
Nigga, he was the one. Bruh, that was him.
Damn.
That's what Sule said. He said it was him. The nigga dead. Nigga dead. What? Monroe book nigga. Stop for a while.
You don't do no rest.
What?
Let me see the other one. I don't know what's going on. You don't do no wrestling. Fine in the ass.
But you clutching on your keys, bro. Tighten up.
Sit your ass up, nigga. I'm gonna find your pussy out.
Who what?
I did.
I
got keys.
There we go.
Bitch.
Yo, what?
I'll take your bitch.
You took my. I know. Everybody still my bitch.
I'm all the way up looking at it.
Come on, son.
Shit.
Some bullshit, man.
It be like that, twin.
This type of shit they don't see though.
Twin. They finna tell your shit. What the? He missing a lot nut. They said.
Oh God, I'm finna.
Shit, how long you think to the SRT Jeep back?
Shit, well, I don't even know.
Give us the estimated report. Your views are asking.
Shit about like, I don't even know to be honest, bro.
That real?
Engine work, so
That real?
I don't know. So probably like a month.
Nah, I think that's cap. The viewers actually want an actual estimated review of what you think. They want the truth.
They don't see something.
This is PapiZuk Live. We want the truth.
About a month. You hear me?
That's real.
Don't see something.
What you gotta say?
Get that camera on my face.
We just not you a bitch, nigga.
Get that shit.
But this nigga is a bitch.
I guess I'm a bitch. You get this shit out my face.
What nigga?
Well, this nigga got a flat tire in the front.
Man.
Told you already. I know you downloaded all this myself.
$5 in the drive.
55.
5 in the drive.
No.
That is what you can do as by you accepted before.
You get to it. What you gonna do about it, nigga?
Touch 5 dollars.
What you gonna do about it, nigga?
My soul. What's up?
We don't have any issue, man. We don't have no issue.
Who that is pulling up like that, bro? Why they gotta pull up in this one? Oh, that real? I can't see at this time? They're like one song. Oh, your back window open. Oh, you finna. Here, yeah.
don't even know where the fuck I'm gonna park this bitch in my crib or anywhere.
You got to push this big Bertha motherfucker up the hill. I ain't gonna count. He need about 10 Africans on crack cocaine to do that. Damn. That shit finna be wax.
I should just took it there right now, right?
Damn. Yeah. It's
right now.
I'm not dealing with the mechanic. But I ain't know what mechanic I'm gonna take it to.
you not gonna take the same people?
No, I'm taking warranty.
Ah, that real, that real. Yeah, I ain't okay. Best to just sleep on it and then come back in the morning, like, you know what I'm saying? Figure it out. If anything, damn, my shit leaking. What the fuck?
Oh, it's your equipment.
Hell yeah, I be hoping. It's the first time I realized that shit.
I had an AC on for water.
I'm already knowing.
That boy see it, man. SRT Jeep gone, bro. That boy shit. That look at what he driving, sick ass nigga, bro.
Across the globe, blue bitch, she should be on Vogue. She do what she told. Feel like I've been getting old, but I can't change my soul.